So here is the final results. It looks so much better, like so much better. But yeah, I need to finish doing the coolant neck, and then I gotta bleed, and then I'll show you guys all the process that I'm going through. But yeah, I'm hoping this car is gonna make some pretty decent numbers, regardless what it is. It's still like a stock motor, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like regardless, he's going to like it. All right, guys. So I'm just bleeding up the motor. I've been having problems with the water neck because of the fitment, so I gotta keep on taking it off, grinding, and this has been killing my bag. But luckily everything is cool. It's not leaking. It sounds good. Idle seems pretty good. It's around like 885. Just letting it bleed the system real quick. But overall, man, just look at it, man. It looks so much better with this manifold. But in a bit, I will start I'm gonna start doing the kpro wire, because instead of so right now it has a type R ECU, so it's the fuel pump is just grounded. So now I had to plug it to I believe A1. So after this get warmed up, I'm gonna do that. I did blow the fuse for the fuel pump because I don't know why the fuse that was on this car was 7.5, which is supposed to be 15 for the fuel pump, and I guess the fuel pump was too strong, so it just blew the fuel pump up. But I put a 20 amp on it, and I don't think it will ever blow. So yeah, stay tuned. So here's my ECU that I'm gonna let Darren borrow. Pretty sick. I do have some stickers. If you guys want to purchase any to help the build, feel free to hit me up. I only have this one, which is my recent one. But for now, let's go ahead and I'm gonna take off the ground wire that was onto that was for the fuse. This is where I did it at. So this will be like every time when you put your car to on, the fuel pump will always stay on. But we are using a hybrid racing conversion harness, and they have their own, like, label, which is really nice. So this one says fuse. So I'm gonna cut this one off, and I'm gonna connect this one to this one. Okay guys, so I already have the ECU plugged up, my ECU plugged up, and I already did the wires, and the car is on. The car's not turned on, but it's on. I will put the K20, the type R tune. So let's go with new. Let's open that up. It's not open yet. Okay, so go ahead and go up there, click the new, and then we are going to find the type R. Let's see, I'm gonna find the closest one to the type R. I think that's the one right there. Yeah, so that's the closest one, because there's really no stock. So it's gonna be a K20 ITR. So it says ITR with total headers, intake, Mugen twin loop, and stock ITR cams. Let's try this, the Civic one. No, see, those are all A3s. There's no type R for those. Let's try other vehicles. No, those are all K24. So over here, Civic type R. European dyno tune. This is a European type R. There's a K20A though. Let's just do the K20 ITR. Okay, so the car. Let's turn on the car. So when you have your kpro plugged into your computer, yeah, it's kind of weird because I have a Mac Pro, but I'm using a boot camp to use a Windows program. Anyways, so go ahead and click the lightning port up there. Oh, it just turned off. I think it's my connection. Okay, so like I said again, go to new. We are going to be doing the K20 ITR. Push OK. Loads up, and then everything should be looking like this. And then once you're like already have the map on, go ahead and load it up. Just the arrow up. Okay, so everything should be cool, and that's how you upload a tune. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And it works. Okay guys, doing a little test run. It's running pretty good. I keep having the engine check light for a secondary O2 sensor. I don't know why it's not going away, but it's okay. We're getting tuned soon on Wednesday. Today is Sunday, and oh man, Darren, you're gonna love this. I know you're busy right now, but bro, I'm gonna crack some VTech for you, all right? Not right here though. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a little VTech, all right? Nothing crazy because I'm in the neighborhoods. Damn, bro. Oh my god, that shit feel amazing. Woo! Man, that shit feel good, dude. That VTech, it's like another. Like, I drove his car like a couple times, and I drove it the other day when we did a oil and spark plug change, and it was, it was cool. It was cool. I like it, but nothing compares to my K24, but it was cool. But man, dude, this car is not even tuned yet. It's just on the whatever base map Honda has, and dude, that VTEC cracks hard, and it screams for a reason. Like, no joke. This, oh my god, I'm just getting, that's it, dude. That's it. I'll see you guys on the next episode, and stay tuned on the dyno tune. See you guys later. The owner's driving this car for the first time after it's been tuned, and
time, bro. That's crazy. Let's go, Chai. Woo, that felt crazy. Let me do it one more time. That sounds different. Hold on, there's people coming. Oh shit. Come get us. 5-0, come get us. I'm calling you right now. Holy shit. First gear pulling? Bro, what the fuck? It never used to. Do it one more time, one more time. It never used to spin like that. One more time. Oh my god. Holy shit. You never felt that? That shit puts down power, bro. No way. Oh shit. Damn! That shit's flyer, boy.